Today we are going to be building a 3-to-1, or it's also called a Z-rig, and you will see why as we get in this video, but let's get to tying. So we're going to be using the Petzl rescue sender, a couple of Petzl micro pulleys, got a couple of carabiners, obviously we've got some webbing for anchor point, rope of course, and then we're going to use some tape to lay out the Z, and we're going to do a prusik soft link. When building mechanical advantage systems such as a 3-to-1 or a 4-to-1, it's helpful to really set it up in a very small confined space so that you can see your work. And here I'm just going to use some tape just to lay out a diagram of what my Z-rig or my 3-to-1 should look like. And now I'm going to just lay out all of my components of my Z-rig, just to line it up with where the components need to be within the system. And now we can start putting things together. So I'm going to put the pulley, attach that to my webbing anchor point. And I'm going to add my second pulley into the system. This forms the bottom of the Z. And then let's add the rescue sender into the system as well. And I'm going to be using a prusik as a soft link between the rescue sender and then the carabiner to attach it to the bottom pulley. And attaching this, you can see I had some trouble keeping everything within frame. It was a fairly large prusik, but it was the one that I grabbed for this video. And you can see now that everything is attached how this system is supposed to work. The haul line pulls to the right, whereas the load is attached off to the top left there. The anchor point with a pulley, and then the rescue sender is then also attached to another pulley, creating our 3-to-1 with the haul line.